Friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling about straight line graphs y equal to mx plus c. This is GCSE Maths grade 4 question. Sometimes you get 3 marks for this question, or sometimes they will ask for 4 marks. If you answer properly, then you will get full marks. Y equal to mx plus c is the general equation for a straight line graph. And you need to remember this formula. M is equal to the gradient of the graph. C is the value where it crosses the y-axis and is called the y-intercept. M and C are always just numbers. So y equal to 3x minus 1 and y equal to minus x plus 2 are in y equal to mx plus c form. So here you can see two graphs for examples of y equal to mx plus c. What is m? M is gradient. So how do we know m gradient equal to 3? Because it is crossing here. It is touching y axis minus 1. So c equal to minus 1 and gradient. You need to draw one line like this and then straight like this. So 1, 2, 3. So m equal to 3. If you draw like this, then we can find gradient. And same here. Y equal to minus x plus 2. How do we know minus x plus 2? Because it is touching y axis at 2, which is c equal to 2. Wherever c is the value where it crosses y axis and is called y-intercept. So c is crossing at 2. So how do we know m equal to minus 1? A negative gradient means graph slopes downhill. So it is crossing intercept like this, and we need to form a triangle like this and m equal to minus 1. This is the way we will do our gradient. And sometimes they will ask, you might have to rearrange straight line equation to get into this form. So they will give y equal to 2 plus 3x, x minus y equal to 4, 4 minus 3x equal to y. So y equal to 3x plus 2, y equal to x minus 4, because we need to write them y equal to mx plus c formation. So 3x is mx and c is where it crosses the y-axis. And same here, y equal to x, because x is in, there is no number, that means 1 is there. So x, it is in mx plus c formation, and minus 4 because it is negative gradient, and 4 minus 3x equal to y. Just write y equal to mx plus c here, and this is mx, this is c. So y equal to minus 3x plus 4. When you rewrite this into the y equal to mx plus c form, then m equal to minus 3, c equal to 4. We already discussed how to rearrange the formula in our channel. If you see in our previous videos, you can get knowledge about how to rearrange the formula. This is 4 minus 3x equal to y they given. You need to rearrange this. Y equal to minus 3x plus 4. Because y, because when you take this side minus 3x and this will be plus 4 in mx plus c formation. Watch out. People mix up m and c when they get something like y equal to 5 plus 2x. Remember, m is the number in front of the x. So, always gradient will be with x and c is the number on its own. So, c is the number on its own. Here if you see, this is y equal to 2x minus 5 in mx plus c form. And sometimes they will ask, find the gradient of lines A, B, C and D. Here you can see some graphs. If you see here, what is the y equal to mx plus c form? We need to find here. We don't need to rearrange the formula, or we don't need to write anything. Just find a gradient. Always form a triangle. Always draw a line. Go just one column and then form as a triangle. So 4 to 6, it is 2. So A equal to 2. And B, if you see here B, where it is crossing y-intercept? Here. Wherever it is crossing y-intercept, we need to go like this and we need to draw until it touches the line. So y equal to b equal to 6, because if you see it is touching 0, it is minus 6. So but it is not downhill, so it is m equal to 6 here. If it is, you can see here, if the gradient means, negative gradient means graph slopes downhill. Here gradient, it is not slopes downhill, so m equal to 6. Here if you find here, it is quite difficult for some people, but we need to, sometimes we will get this type of hard questions as well. So here what is C? C equal to 4. First we need to find where it is y-intercept point, and then one line, and then you need to form as a triangle until it touches the straight line. So m equal to 3 here. Here D equal to minus 10, because they given this black line and then it is y-intercept point is C equal to 4, and then we will draw one line here, and then until it touches we will draw a line. So it could be 4 to minus 6, D equal to minus 10, because it is 4 to minus 6. If you see, this line is 4, this is minus 6. So 4 to minus 6 means D value will be minus 10. It's not will be, it must be minus 10. So whenever you find the gradient, always find the y-intercept point where it is touching the y, where it is crossing the y-axis, and then draw a straight line to one column and then form a triangle. If it is sloping uphill, so gradient will be positive. If it is sloping downhill, that means gradient will be negative. And if you see in the equation of lines, A, B, C on the axis below. So how do we find? First we need to write y equal to mx plus c, and then we need to find the gradient. So for first we will find this red line, which is b. B equal to, first we need to find the c. C, where is c? C touching point is c equal to 4. So m equal to, you need to draw like line like this. Draw line like this. So 0.5x plus 4. And then we will try a line. So what is the y crossing point? C equal to plus 1. And then we will draw line like this, and we will form a triangle like this, and it is sloping uphill. So our gradient will be positive. So a equal to y equal to mx plus c and 2x plus 1, because it is 2x, it is plus 1. It is c, it is m. And then we will find c. How do we find c? C equal to, this is sloping downhill, definitely sloping downhill, so minus 1. M equal to minus 1x, and what is the crossing point? It is x. So c equal to minus x plus 8. Find the equations of lines A, B and C are on the axis below. We will do whatever we did for this question. We do same thing for this question. We need to find C, where it is crossing y axis, and then we need to draw a gradient which is m, and we will write y equal to mx plus c formula, and we will write. So if you see for A, it is crossing at minus 2. So c equal to minus 2, and I draw one line here, and I am forming a triangle like this, and it is sloping uphill. That means negative, not negative gradient, it is compulsory positive gradient. So y equal to 2x minus 2. If you arrange the formula for this straight line graph, and we will see B, it is sloping downhill, so that means minus 0.5, m equal to minus 0.5, c equal to 4, because it is crossing y axis at 4. So y equal to minus 0.5x plus 4. We will do the same thing for C. You need to find the crossing point for this. So it is 0. It is crossing at 0. So C equal to 0 and m equal to minus 1, because it is sloping downhill. So for C, C equal to y. For C, this is C line, y equal to mx plus c. We need to write this formula, and we need to write our answer in this formation. Y equal to minus 1x, because it is sloping downhill, and it is crossing point, where it is crossing point C. C equal to 0. So this is the way we will solve finding the equation of a straight line, and how to find the gradient, how to find the C, and how can we put if examiner will give some values, then how can we arrange that into the y equal to mx plus c formula. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. Please recommend our channel to your friends and relatives. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.